Guys, welcome again. Myself MD Tariq Anwar. I am working as an assistant professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, Gurugram. Today, I am going to start new unit of fluid mechanics, that is unit 4, that is boundary layer theory, and we will discuss in this unit boundary layer theory, displacement thickness, boundary layer region and related problems. Clear? So first of all we will discuss boundary layer theory. What is boundary layer theory? When a real fluid flows past a solid object and fluid particle on the surface will have the same velocity as that of the surface because of no slip condition. I have underlined no slip condition. For example, body is in rest and real fluid is flowing on a solid object, then the fluid particle on the surface will have the same velocity as that of the surface. अगर surface का velocity 0 है तो fluid velocity will be 0. Clear? See this diagram. For example, on the right side, that is solid object. Clear? Here I have shown boundary layer region, BLR, representing boundary layer region. Clear? Above that boundary layer region there is I have written U infinity. U infinity is nothing but free stream velocity जो एटमॉस्फेयर में फ्लो हो रहा, that is free stream velocity. This topic is very important from gate point of view. So if the object is at rest, the fluid particles will also have zero velocity, already told. Clear? So away from the boundary, the velocity gradually increases, and velocity gradient, that is du upon dy, that is the slope, exists in a region close to the boundary. I have shown here boundary layer region. तो boundary layer region में क्या होगा? There will be a existence or an existence of velocity gradient, that is represented by du upon dy. Clear? The region is known as boundary layer region. The flow is viscous in boundary layer region. I have written this point with red color. That is very important point. The flow is viscous in boundary layer region. Clear? Outside the boundary layer region, the flow is non-viscous, and hence Bernoulli's equation is applicable. Bernoulli किसके लिए applicable होता है? Non-viscous के लिए. So boundary layer theory generally used for in the applications such as automobiles and aircraft, etc. So see this diagram again. Here U infinity is the free stream velocity which is flowing in the atmosphere when they will strike on an object. So when the object velocity is 0, fluid particles also have 0 velocity. Clear? So from solid to above the, or you can say at the region, this is known as boundary layer thickness, which is denoted by delta. I have written here. So in this region there will be a velocity gradient exist. Now we will discuss another point, that is displacement development of boundary layer over a flat plate. For example, you have taken a flat plate. So free stream velocity is coming from that point. So you can say U infinity is the free stream velocity. Plate have two edges, that is leading edge and trailing edge. See the diagram. Okay, focus on diagram. So when this free stream velocity will strike initially in x direction or y direction, there are two axes. I have shown here x axis in the right side direction with the arrow. Clear? I have not shown here y, but consider this is in upward direction, or you can say in the direction of heading, that is development of boundary layer over a flat plate. There is a y axis. So initially there will be a laminar flow, and this flow will be turbulent through transition, or you can say in between there is a transition flow. laminar, transition, and then turbulent. So in the turbulent region or turbulent flow region, you can say there is a laminar sublayer, means that I have shown here with another strip above the plate. Clear? So ये जो रीजन है, दिस वन इज लैमिनार सबलेयर. टर्बुलेंट रीजन में भी क्या है, लैमिनार सबलेयर will exist. So read this definition. When a real fluid flows past a flat plate, already explained, flat plate है, I have taken for example, the velocity at the leading edge is zero. जब स्ट्राइक करेगा तो क्या होगा, जीरो होगा. एंड द रिटार्डेशन ऑफ द फ्लूइड पार्टिकल इंक्रीजेज एज मोर एंड मोर ऑफ द प्लेट इज एक्सपोज्ड टू द फ्लो. क्लियर? जैसे जैसे फ्लो एक्सपोज्ड होगा वैसे वैसे क्या होगा, fluid particle increases, retardation of the fluid particle increases, and hence the boundary layer thickness as the distance from the leading edge increases. Clear? So इनिशियली बाउंड्री लेयर क्या रहेगा, कम रहेगा. जैसे जैसे हम प्लेट के ट्रेलिंग एज की तरफ मूव करेंगे वैसे वैसे बाउंड्री लेयर थिकनेस इंक्रीज करेगा. क्लियर? अप टू सर्टन डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द लीडिंग एज द फ्लो इन द बाउंड्री लेयर इज लैमिनार, ऑलरेडी शोन इन द डायग्राम. इनिशियली क्या रहेगा, लैमिनार फ्लो रहेगा. एंड एज द लैमिनार बाउंड्री लेयर ग्रोज, जैसे जैसे लैमिनार बाउंड्री लेयर ग्रो करेगा, इनस्टेबिलिटी अकर्स एंड द फ्लो चेंजेस फ्रॉम लैमिनार टू टर्बुलेंट थ्रू ट्रांजिशन. दिस इज क्लियर फ्रॉम द डायग्राम. इनिशियली लैमिनार, देन ट्रांजिशन, देन टर्बुलेंट. इन द टर्बुलेंट रीजन देयर विल बी, इट इज़ फाउंड दैट इवन इन टर्बुलेंट बाउंड्री लेयर रीजन क्लोज टू द प्लेट, प्लेट से जो सटा रहेगा, ठीक है, एडजेसेंट टू द प्लेट, द फ्लो इज लैमिनार एंड दिस रीजन इज नोन एज लैमिनार सब लेयर रीजन एंड दिस रीजन एग्जिस्ट्स in turbulent boundary layer region. Clear? Now we will discuss another point, that is boundary layer thickness, or you can say nominal boundary layer, already explained in the first page of this video lecture, that is denoted by delta, boundary layer thickness. It is the distance from boundary, or you can say plate boundary, to the point in y direction. Clear? When the velocity is 99% of the free stream velocity. कहाँ तक, 0 to 99% free stream velocity. Already told, free stream velocity is represented by u infinity. So for all calculation purpose, at y is equal to lambda. Oh sorry, I have told about this value. This is not a lambda. I have used another term. This is delta. So from now onwards this will be this is delta. Sorry, nothing important for this, only notation is different. So I have used lambda for another part. So here I am showing this nominal boundary layer thickness, that is delta. At y is equal to delta, u is taken as u infinity. Clear? जब डेल्टा जो है, दैट इज बाउंड्री लेयर थिकनेस, तो कहाँ पे पहुँच जाएगा, y का वैल्यू डेल्टा तक पहुँच जाएगा, तो u का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, u infinity. क्लियर? नाउ वी विल डिस्कस दैट इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट थिकनेस. डिस्प्लेसमेंट थिकनेस इज नथिंग बट the how much amount of boundary is displaced from the boundary, or you can say from the plate. So it is represented by delta star. It is also very important from gate point of view. So see this diagram, I'll explain one by one. For example, this is a plate, u infinity is the free stream velocity. I have shown that the magnitude, or you can say displacement, is total, which is I have taken for understanding purpose, the magnitude is 100. In the boundary layer region, velocity gradient exists, so du upon dy. So due to this there will be a change in free stream velocity. So I have shown with second diagram. See this diagram, this is boundary layer region, and total boundary layer thickness is delta. So I have taken a small strip, that is dy in y direction, where velocity is u, not u infinity. So due to this there will be decrease in displacement thickness. For example, this magnitude is 80. So see third diagram, due to delta star or displacement thickness is displaced, so value will be 80. See the fourth one, that is diagram fourth one diagram on the right side of the page, that is finally we will get as 80 as the final value. So there are two cases. For ideal case, magnitude is 100 when the boundary layer region there is no losses, but due to velocity gradient exists, there will be some loss. So this is known as displacement thickness for real one. So I'll show this with the help of mathematical calculation. Ideal case, consider that plate thickness is 1 unit. U infinity is the free stream velocity. Dy I have taken, or a small strip in y direction, matlab dy. So mass flow rate, you all know that rho into A into V. So in ideal case, mass flow rate will be rho into dy into 1 is the area, u infinity is the free stream velocity, so rho AV. Similarly, you can write for real velocity or real case, u is the velocity here, dy is the thickness, and 1 is the width of this is 1 unit. So here u less than u infinity, because u infinity कहाँ पे मिलेगा, at y is equal to delta. So here I have taken dy below that, or you can say middle of the delta. So u will be less than u infinity. So real mass flow rate will be rho into dy into 1 into u. So finally you can write m ideal rho u infinity dy, or m real or mass flow rate in real case will be rho u dy. So reduction in mass flow rate due to velocity gradient exists, there will be ideal minus real. So putting the value, or you can say arranging the term, you will get as final expression as rho in the bracket u infinity minus u bracket close into dy. But this velocity is varying from 0 to delta. So putting the value 0 to delta or integrating this, you will get the final mass reduction. So we can say total mass reduction is equal to 0 to delta, that is the limit, integration of 0 to delta rho u infinity minus u into dy is equal to कितना होगा 20, which already shown in the diagram, above diagram. So consider this is equation 1. Now we will solve another equation, for example u infinity 1, and considering third diagram, that is delta star, that is displacement thickness. It will also be equal to the magnitude is, that is 20, because I am solving the mass reduction. कितना हो रहा total mass reduction, this is equal to 20, that is m dot, applying the same formula, rho delta star into 1 into u infinity. So equating equation 1 and 2, we will get the answer as delta star is equal to integration to 0 to delta u infinity minus u upon u infinity. So separating the term, we will get as delta star is equal to 0 to delta integration, limit is the given in the question, equation, in the bracket 1 minus u upon u infinity into dy. So by this formula you can find displacement thickness. This is the displacement thickness formula. Now we will discuss definition. Already explained the concept. It is the distance by which the boundary should be displaced in order to compensate for the reduction in mass flow rate due to the boundary layer growth. Boundary layer जब growth हो रहा, already explained, तो growth की वजह से क्या होगा, boundary should be displaced. it is given as delta star is equal to integration 0 to delta 1 minus u upon u infinity into dy. Now we will discuss momentum thickness. It is denoted by theta. It is the distance by which the boundary should be displaced in order to compensate for reduction in momentum due to boundary layer growth. It is given by the formula theta is equal to 0 to delta u upon u infinity in the bracket 1 minus u upon u infinity bracket close into dy. Similarly, energy thickness, it is represented by delta E, is given as it is the distance by which the boundary should be displaced in order to compensate for the reduction in kinetic energy due to the boundary layer growth. Boundary layer growth की वजह से क्या होगा, एनर्जी भी रिड्यूस होगा, काइनेटिक एनर्जी भी होगा, ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्स, मोमेंटम भी रिड्यूस होगा. सो इट इज़ द दीज आर द फार्मूला फॉर द which I have already explained, that is energy thickness and momentum thickness. Energy thickness is given as delta E integration 0 to delta u upon u infinity in the bracket 1 minus u square upon u infinity ka square bracket close into dy. So boundary condition you have to remember. These are the boundary condition. These are useful boundary condition which are applicable, or you can say always you have to use these boundary condition in the problems, or you can say in solving the problem. So at x is equal to 0, x in the x direction or x axis, delta is equal to 0. क्लियर. जैसे हम x की तरफ मूव कर रहे हैं तो डेल्टा वहाँ पे क्या है, 0 है, क्योंकि x का वैल्यू 0 है एट लीडिंग एज. सिमिलरली सेकंड बाउंड्री कंडीशन इज एट y इज इक्वल टू 0, u इज इक्वल टू 0. y की तरफ हम मूव कर रहे हैं, क्या है, 0, तो u कितना होगा, 0 होगा. एट y इज इक्वल टू लैम्डा, u विल बी u इन्फिनिटी, ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन. एट y इज इक्वल टू लैम्डा मीन्स दैट du अपॉन dy इज इक्वल टू 0. y का वैल्यू जब सॉरी फिर लैम्डा बोल दिया मैंने, दिस इज़ द रॉन्ग. y इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा, दैट इज़ du अपॉन dy इज इक्वल टू 0, क्योंकि वहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, फ्री स्ट्रीम वेलोसिटी हो जाएगा. सो du अपॉन dy will not exist. So we will solve some problem regarding this concept. First, read the question. Find the displacement thickness. Displacement thickness is represented by delta star, and momentum thickness, that is represented by theta, for a boundary layer for which the velocity profile is given, that is u upon u infinity is given, is equal to y upon delta. So putting the value in the formula of displacement thickness, that is delta star is nothing but integration 0 to delta is equal to 1 minus u upon u infinity into dy. So putting the value, that is u upon u infinity की जगह पर क्या पुट करेंगे, y upon delta. So putting the value and putting or applying the limit, we will get as final expression as delta star is equal to delta minus del square or delta square upon 2 delta. So after simplifying, we will get as answer as delta star is equal to delta by 2, or you can say displacement thickness is equal to delta by 2. Now we will find momentum thickness. Clear? Hence theta is equal to 0 to delta into u upon u infinity in the bracket 1 minus u upon u infinity into dy. So putting the value of u upon u infinity in this equation, that is nothing but y upon delta. So putting the value and applying the limit, or putting the limit, that is 0 to delta, we will get answer as, there is a mathematical relation, so I am not solving this, there is a basic maths only. So after solving or simplifying, we will get as theta value is delta upon 6, that is momentum thickness. Clear? Now we will solve another term in this question, that is known as shape factor. It is denoted by h or capital H. It is given as h is equal to delta star upon theta. Delta star is displacement thickness, theta is momentum thickness. Clear? So putting the value already solved on the previous page, that is displacement thickness value, I got delta by 2 and theta value is delta by 6. So shape factor for this case will be 3. Now, very important question. I have marked 5 star here. This type of question is asked in every competitive exams, whatever exam, UPSC exams, and in GATE also. So this is the concept of boundary layer theory, which I have already explained, but it will be more clear with the help of examples. So I am giving you some examples related to this. So read the question first. The shear stress distribution in a boundary layer is given by tau is equal to tau O and the bracket 1 minus y upon delta bracket close. Then find the displacement thickness in terms of delta. Clear? So you all know that, hence delta star is given as integration of 0 to delta and the bracket 1 minus u upon u infinity bracket close into dy. Also you know that tau is equal to nothing but mu into du upon dy. Clear? In the basic dynamic viscosity, or you can say viscosity formula, tau is equal to mu du upon dy. So equating equation given in the question and equation we all know, that is tau is equal to mu du upon dy is equal to nothing but tau 1 minus y upon delta, that is given in the question. Clear? So arranging the term and integrating, we will get as u is equal to tau upon mu and the bracket y minus y upon y square upon 2 delta plus c, because limit is not given, so there will be a constant, that is c. So applying the limit here at y is equal to 0, u will be 0, already given in the last page, that is boundary conditions. So at y is equal to 0, u will be 0. So putting this value in the above equation, we will get c value as 0. So finally we will get u is equal to tau O upon mu in the bracket y minus y square upon 2 delta. This is the equation 1. Now apply second boundary condition. At y is equal to delta, u will be u infinity. So putting this value, we will get as u infinity as tau O upon mu into delta by 2. That is the equation number 2. So equation 2 divided by 1, we will get the value, that is u upon u infinity. Here we found u infinity, here we found u. Clear? In equation 1 we found the value of u. In equation 2 we found the value of u infinity, that is free stream velocity. So you have to find u upon u infinity, so that we can apply this formula u upon u infinity in the basic formula. So equation 2 divided by 1, we will get u upon u infinity as finally 2 by delta upon minus y square upon delta square, that is the u upon u infinity value. So put this value in the displacement thickness formula. You all know that, hence delta star is given as integration 0 to delta 1 minus u upon u infinity into dy. So putting the value of u upon u infinity in this equation, you will get the value, that is delta star is equal to, after putting the limit or substituting limit in this equation, you will get as delta by 3, that is the value of delta star, that is displacement thickness, we will get as delta by 3. So this is the boundary layer concept, that is displacement thickness and boundary layer thickness. What is boundary layer? Clear? So further we will discuss von Karman momentum integral equation and turbulent flow and so on related to boundary layer and turbulent flow topics. So today I am finishing my video lecture here. Bye guys, thank you very much.